Hey everyone, get ready for a snack revolution. Today, we're making something incredibly delicious, super simple and perfect for any occasion. Tortilla egg rolls. These crispy, savory bites are a fantastic way to use up leftovers or whip up a quick party appetizer. You're going to love how easy they are. First, let's gather our stars. You'll need some soft tortillas, a few eggs, your favorite shredded cheese and any cooked protein you have on hand. Think chicken or even just veggies. A little oil for frying, and don't forget your favorite dipping sauce. Simple, right? Now for the fun part. Whisk your eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper. Lay out a tortilla, then spread a thin layer of the egg mixture over it. Sprinkle generously with cheese and your chosen protein. Don't overfill, we want these to roll up nicely. Carefully roll the tortilla tightly, just like a traditional egg roll. Make sure the ends are tucked in, to keep all that delicious filling inside. Heat a shallow pan with a bit of oil over medium heat. Place your rolled tortillas seam side down first, and cook until golden brown and crispy on all sides. This usually takes just a few minutes per side. Once they're beautifully golden, remove them and let them cool slightly before slicing. Serve these warm with your favorite dipping sauce, maybe some sweet chili, sriracha mayo or even ketchup. They're absolutely irresistible. There you have it, homemade tortilla egg rolls that are crunchy, cheesy and utterly satisfying. They're perfect for a quick lunch, a fun dinner or your next gathering. Give this recipe a try and let me know what delicious fillings you come up with. Happy cooking!